Hi, this is Itiar from Bimser International, and in this video, you will learn how to track the performance of your company and employees using Ensemble. Let's get started. I have already opened this balance scorecard, and I will be showing you how it was designed. Whenever we want to track KPIs, we have to go to the System Definitions tab and then to the Performance Management section. If we go to the scorecard section and open one of them, we'll see a tree structure featuring the departments that are involved in this particular scorecard, and also the positions that will be entering data to keep track of the KPIs, targets, and initiatives. By right-clicking on one of the positions, we can see the different indicators they are associated with. Let me show you now other relevant sections, for example, the element type section. Here we can see a hierarchical view of the different element types, such as the perspective or the strategic goals. Once we have defined the element types, we can go ahead and add new elements. We can select from the top the element type and directly add new ones. For example, the financial perspective section shows that we are studying the areas of R&D to reduce the cost, or the financial affairs area through the accounts receivable turnover. Another area we have to configure before we can create a scorecard is the units area. We can work with days, dollars, percentages, or pieces, among other units. We also need to define the different periods. We could group them based on the year and the review periods. Here is where we state when we will be entering the tracking information, maybe every day, maybe every week or month. The period hierarchy is also important because here we establish how the periods are formed. A week is composed of 7 days, 4 quarters make up a year, and so on. A couple more things to define are the various locations or departments who will participate in the tracking process and the positions of the different employees involved. This way, we'll be able to select them when it's time to assign the indicators. In addition, we have to define certain ranges for the indicators. For example, the smiley face is associated with reaching the target, whether the sad face shows we are below the alarm level. In order to know where we stand within that range, we need to create evaluation methods. If we wanted to increase the number of purchase orders, the evaluation method needed would be the increasing method. In this example, we have alarm and target values, and we know the current amount. We also have to track their cumulative counterparts. On this screen, we can see the different limits and ranges. Once all that has been configured, we will be able to go to the data entry section to add data to the system. In the case of the sales managers, they have to update the indicators every month. As you can see, there are many different things we have to take into account while adding a scorecard, and I hope this video served as an overview of what we can do with this module. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. If you want to learn more about Ensemble, make sure to watch this next video about the process management module.